Hi, in this video, I will show you how you can filter data in the map view. Let's go to the Contacts module. We have 8 records here, and I can see that only 6 of them have the mailing latitude field populated. That means these 6 records have already been processed. If we click on Map View right now, we should expect to see 6 records. You can see that we have 6 records in the United States. You can zoom in by pressing Ctrl and plus. When you zoom in to a specific place on the map, the records are filtered based on that map area. If you zoom in more, you can see that there is only 1 record showing. This is how you can filter a large amount of data in the map view. Now we have 2 records showing. And now we only have 1 record showing. If you click on the code here, you can go directly to the record itself. Now, if I go to one of the records and click on Address Toolkit, I can add the address data. For this test, I am adding both address blocks. Then I will go to another record and open Address Toolkit. Now I will add the address data here as well. Then click Save. Now let's go back and click on Map View. Now we should see all the records here. All 8 records are showing. You can also filter based on the address blocks. We have mailing address and other address. Not all records have the other address populated, so currently we only have 6 records for the other address. For the mailing address, we have all the records. Now you can filter the map by pressing Ctrl and plus, zooming in and viewing only the records you want to see in a specific map area.